Sustainable solutions and innovations. Sustainable materials, organic cotton, recycled polyester, and innovative materials like tencel, derived from wood pulp, offer more eco-friendly alternatives. Circular economy principles, extending garment lifespans through repair, rental models, and upcycling initiatives can minimize waste. Transparency and traceability. Consumers are increasingly demanding transparency about the origin and production processes of their clothing. Blockchain technology can enable track and trace solutions. Sustainable production practices. Factories are adopting cleaner production methods, reducing water usage, and employing eco-friendly dyes. Ethical labor practices. Fair trade certifications and ethical sourcing initiatives can ensure fair wages and safe working conditions for garment workers. If this clip got your gears turning, then you're going to love the full video on our channel, 10 minutes for supply chain, links in the description below. Don't miss it. Give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment to share your thoughts, and don't forget to share it with your team. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon for weekly breakdowns of the global supply chain. Join membership button, become a member for exclusive content, early access, and global logistics insights. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed, stay ahead, and always supply smart.